Imagine a place teeming with life, a city of sorts. But instead of humans, it's inhabited by billions of bees. This is not just a farm, it's a buzzing metropolis where every bee has a role to play. Welcome to the world's largest bee farm, a sprawling 850-acre marvel of modern agriculture. This vast expanse is a testament to human ingenuity and the incredible capabilities of these tiny creatures. Here, over 400,000 bee colonies work tirelessly, producing an astounding 2 million pounds of honey every year. Each colony is a well-oiled machine, contributing to the farm's overall success. The sheer scale of this operation is a testament to the intricate relationship between humans and these fascinating creatures. It's a partnership that has been refined over centuries, blending tradition with modern techniques. From the meticulous arrangement of hives to the sweet scent that permeates the air, this farm offers a glimpse into the fascinating world of industrial-scale beekeeping. It's a place where nature and human effort come together in perfect harmony. The farm's success relies on a delicate balance of nature and human intervention. Every decision made here impacts the bees and the surrounding environment. Skilled beekeepers carefully manage every aspect of the operation, ensuring the health and productivity of their buzzing workforce. Their expertise is crucial in maintaining the delicate equilibrium required for such a large-scale endeavor. The farm's vast size allows for the production of honey on an unprecedented scale, but it also presents unique challenges. Managing such a large number of bees requires innovative solutions and constant adaptation. Maintaining the health of such a large bee population requires constant vigilance, innovative techniques, and a deep respect for the delicate balance of the ecosystem. It's a never-ending task that demands dedication and passion from everyone involved. Moving millions of bees across the country to their new home at the bee farm is a carefully orchestrated process. Specially designed semi-trucks equipped with climate control systems ensure the bees travel comfortably and safely. These trucks are carefully loaded with thousands of beehives, each containing a colony of busy bees. The journey can take several days, and throughout the trip, the bees are closely monitored to ensure their well-being. Upon arrival at the farm, the hives are carefully unloaded and placed in their designated areas. The bees, disoriented from their journey, are given time to acclimate to their new surroundings. Beekeepers provide them with sugar water, simulating nectar to help them regain their energy and begin exploring their new territory. This process is crucial for the success of the farm, as healthy and well-adjusted bees are more likely to thrive and produce honey. The journey of honey begins with a simple flower, a delicate bloom that holds the key to nature's sweetest treasure. Worker bees, equipped with long tongues, venture out from the hive in search of nectar, the sweet liquid produced by flowers. These tiny adventurers are on a mission, driven by an instinctual need to gather and provide for their colony. These diligent foragers visit countless flowers, collecting nectar and storing it in a special sac called a honey stomach. This unique organ allows them to carry their precious cargo back to the hive without digesting it. A single bee can visit up to 150 flowers in a single trip, carrying a load of nectar almost equal to its own body weight. This incredible feat of endurance and efficiency is a testament to the bee's role in the ecosystem. Back at the hive, the real magic happens. The hive is a bustling center of activity where each bee has a specific role to play in the production of honey. The forager bees transfer the nectar to house bees, who begin the process of turning it into honey. This teamwork is essential for the survival and success of the hive. They repeatedly ingest and regurgitate the nectar, mixing it with enzymes that break down complex sugars into simpler ones like fructose and glucose. This enzymatic action is crucial for transforming the nectar into honey. This process also reduces the water content, thickening the nectar. The reduction in water content is vital to prevent fermentation and spoilage. Finally, the bees deposit the transformed nectar into honeycomb cells, where they fan it with their wings to further evaporate moisture. This fanning action helps to achieve the perfect consistency for honey. When the honey reaches the desired consistency, the bees seal the honeycomb cells with wax, preserving their liquid gold. This wax seal ensures that the honey remains pure and protected until it is needed by the colony or harvested by beekeepers. Section 4. Liquid gold harvesting, nature's sweetest reward. Harvesting honey is a delicate process that requires precision and respect for the bees' hard work. Beekeepers don protective suits and use smoke to calm the bees before approaching the hives. They carefully remove the frames containing the honeycombs, ensuring that they leave enough honey for the bees to sustain themselves. The honeycombs are taken to an extraction facility where the wax cappings are removed and the honey is extracted using a centrifuge. This machine spins the frames at high speed, forcing the honey out of the combs without damaging them. The honey is then filtered to remove any impurities, such as bits of wax or pollen. Finally, the liquid gold is bottled, ready to be enjoyed by consumers worldwide. Section 5. The Buzz on Challenges. Safeguarding bee colonies. Managing a bee farm of this magnitude comes with its share of challenges. It requires constant vigilance and dedication to ensure the health and productivity of the bee colonies. One of the biggest threats to bee populations is the varroa mite, a tiny parasite that can decimate entire colonies. These mites attach themselves to bees, weakening them and spreading deadly viruses. Beekeepers must constantly monitor for these mites and use various treatment methods to keep them in check. This includes chemical treatments, mechanical methods, and even breeding mite-resistant bee strains. Another challenge is pesticide exposure. Pesticides used in agriculture can be toxic to bees, leading to weakened immune systems and even death. Bees can be harmed by pesticides used in nearby fields, so beekeepers must work closely with farmers to minimize the risks. This collaboration is crucial for creating a safer environment for bees. Climate change also poses a significant threat. Extreme weather conditions, such as prolonged droughts or heavy rains, can disrupt the bees' ability to forage and find food. Changes in temperature and rainfall patterns can disrupt the delicate balance of the ecosystem, affecting the availability of nectar and pollen for bees. This can lead to malnutrition and weakened colonies. To address these challenges, beekeepers are constantly innovating, employing new technologies and techniques to safeguard their bees. This includes using sensors to monitor hive conditions and implementing advanced pest management strategies. This includes using integrated pest management strategies, promoting biodiversity, and advocating for policies that protect pollinators. By working together and staying informed, beekeepers can help ensure the survival and prosperity of their bee colonies. Section 6. Beyond the hive. The economic and environmental impact of bees. The importance of bees extends far beyond the honey they produce. Bees are vital pollinators, responsible for pollinating a vast array of crops that make up a significant portion of our food supply. Without bees, our agricultural systems would face catastrophic consequences, leading to food shortages and economic instability. The economic value of bee pollination services is estimated to be billions of dollars annually. Beyond their economic impact, bees are essential for maintaining biodiversity and a healthy ecosystem. They contribute to the reproduction of countless plant species, which in turn support other wildlife. Protecting bees is not just about safeguarding honey production, it's about preserving the intricate web of life that sustains us all. Section 7. A Sweet Legacy. Appreciating the World of Bees. The world's largest bee farm offers a glimpse into the remarkable world of bees and the crucial role they play in our lives. From the intricate process of honeymaking to the challenges faced by beekeepers, there is much to learn and appreciate about these fascinating creatures. As we enjoy the sweet reward of their labor, let us remember the importance of protecting bees and their habitats. To learn more about the world's largest bee farm and the fascinating world of bees, be sure to watch the accompanying video, visit the farm's website, and follow them on social media for the latest updates and insights. By understanding and appreciating the importance of bees, we can all do our part to ensure that these vital pollinators continue to thrive for generations to come.